कैसे हो दोस्तों। मेरा नाम अभिषेक चक्रवर्ती है और आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है इम्प्रूव एंड लर्न बाय इम्प्रोवाइजेशन में। दोस्तों मैं ये वीडियो कुछ देर के लिए हिंदी में बात करूँगा बिकॉज़ मैं बोला था कि जैसे मैं हर वीडियो इंग्लिश में बना रहा हूँ, हिंदी में बना रहा हूँ और ये कुछ क्रैकर्स के साउंड आ रहे हैं तो क्योंकि दिवाली का मौसम है तो लोगों को तो दिवाली मनाने से रोक नहीं सकता, तो थोड़ा सा प्लीज़ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कीजिएगा, थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कीजिएगा। आई होप सो। तो दोस्तों एक्चुअली मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि इतने दिन मैं आफ्टर 3 to 4 days के बाद मैं बना रहा हूँ वीडियो बिकॉज आई वॉज बिजी इन दिवाली था तो दिवाली में थोड़ा बिजी हो गया था और मैं आपको टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा था, जिसके लिए मैं आपसे बहुत बहुत सॉरी बोलता हूँ। मैं आपको टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा था तो दोस्तों उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत दिल से माफ़ी मांगता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि आप मुझे माफ़ कर देंगे। आई अपोलोजाइज टू दैट। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो चालू करते हैं। ठीक है, तो अगर आपके आ गया हो तो हम चालू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। आज का टॉपिक वही रहेगा, दैट इज़ अबाउट वोवल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट, राइट। तो टॉपिक, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ इंग्लिश. So today's topic is friend vowel and consonant, and you in last video as I told you about the vowel. In last video as I told you about the vowel and consonant, you can hear the sound of crackers because I cannot stop people by bursting their crackers. So we have to adjust anyhow, but we have to focus in studies, right? So let's continue with the same topic, that is vowel and consonant, right? You see here the topic. So students, welcome to my channel. You can see here today's topic is vowel and consonant, right? Now last class I taught you in Hindi, that is vowel, what is vowel and consonant. Let's start today in English. We'll learn, we'll experience what is vowel and consonant, right friends? Now if I talk about vowel, right? So let's see what is vowel. So students, we know that vowel always comes with with 5 letters. That is you all know that vowel always comes with 5 letters. That is A, E, I, O, and U. Right? Where A, E, I, O, U. This is vowel. And as we know that vowel stands for an word, because an, these 2 letters. In vowel it is coming, and if I talk about consonant, then it is a word it is coming. Means A is for consonant, and is for vowel. We know that means if I say A, E, I, O, U is a vowel, then that means what? Here an word will come. Means the letters which start with A. Listen carefully. Right, it's very important. The letter or the word which starts with A or E or I, O and U, we know that an word will come. How? If I talk about A for example apple, we studied in nursery in 1-2 that there are 26 letters, right? A to Z, A to Z. We have studied there are how many letters? 26 letters. So and we have studied also A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. I will not write these all things because it is very easy and very simple. It is of KG of nursery, right? So as we know, if I talk about that A for apple, then as I told you that vowel where A letter will come means the word which starts with the letter A, because this is a word, and in this word, because last class I taught you, we studied about letters and words, right? So we already learned that what is letters and word. These are letters, and these all total, that are 5 group of letters are called word. We know this is word, right friends? So it is what it is written, apple, A for apple. It is a word with 5 letters. Now today we are not talking about letters and words, we are talking about vowel and consonant. So A, as I told you that the word which start with the letter A means an will come. So an apple. If I talk about E, for example we take elephant. right? Basically, we don't take, see, vowel and consonant, whatever the little letters, whatever the word we learned from the childhood. Did you understand? Whatever the letter, sorry, whatever the word we learned since childhood, like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, these all things are noun. We all know that apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, all the words, these are what? Noun. Basically, since childhood, what we learned? That basically since childhood we learned about what? Noun. Because A for apple, it is a noun. B for ball, it is a noun. C for cat, it is a noun. D for dog, it is a noun. E for elephant, it is a noun. Right? So friends, as I told you that these are all noun. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, and E for elephant. These are all noun. So up to Z, E for elephant, F for fan, G for goat, H for hen, all are noun. So up to Z, if I talk about Z, then Z for zebra or zebra, whatever you say. Z for zebra, so zebra is also noun. So basically what happens? The 26 letters means 26 words. All the 26 words are noun. So apple is also a noun. That we talk about noun. We'll later in next video we'll talk about what is noun and all that. We will see about an apple. So apple is a for apple. So an word came. So an word came for apple. If I talk about a ball, right? So these are the things. We will talk about elephant. I talk to you about the elephant. The word starts with the letter E. So as I told you that where is A, E, I, O, U, an word will come. Right? Same thing I. For example, if I say I for inkpot, you can see here. I will write here. So if I say I stands for inkpot. For example, inkpot. So I word is a vowel, an, you will put an. Same O, if I talk about ox, U for umbrella, for example. Then an will come, an ox, an umbrella. These things we learned since childhood. But the main thing I want to tell you, that is where there is always A, E, I, O, U, right? We are putting N. But this is not the correct method, friends. Correct method is what that I will show you. So friends, as I was telling you that where A, E, I, O, U is there, and word we are putting. Simply, we are putting that. But actually that is not the rule. The rule is, that is, we are talking about sound or pronunciation. Did you understand, friends? What is pronunciation? Pronunciation, that we pronounce a word. In which style we pronounce a word, according to that vowel and consonant works. For example, when we pronounce apple, A-P-P-A-L-E, we start with a, apple, a. So if we talk about ball, then we are starting with ball, cat, like that, umbrella, right? University, U. So everything starts with a sound and pronunciation. So one thing you must know, that A, E, I, O, U, that we are putting an in a word, it is not the rule that according to A letter, E letter, I letter, O letter, U letter, you will put an. This is absolutely wrong, friends. The right method is what? The right method is to put A or an. Because what I told you, A stands for vowel and A comes in consonant. A comes in consonant, as I told you. Let me show you. A for consonant and N for vowel. Consonant and vowel. But the reality, what is the reality? The reality works with a sound. So according to, you will not put a and according to the word. I told you one more time that vowel and consonant, both the things works in a sound. So how we put a sound, how we call it, according to that we pronounce it. Did you understand? Now this is about the vowel. Let's see what is consonant. So friends, as I was talking you that we will talk about consonant. So consonant we know from a word. As vowel we know from an word, that consonant we will know from a letters, where we will put consonant and a. And we all know, last video also I told you that except a, e, i, o, u. What is consonant? Consonant is except a, e, i, o and u, the rest of the letters. Rest of the letters called consonant. For if I say, if you leave a, because a is coming in what? This thing's coming in vowel. Rest of the words I've written here. Means what? B, C, D, E is here. F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. You see friends, A, E, I, O, U, except A, I, O, U, all the letters. A it is gone, A is written here, B I have written here. Then B, C, D, F, G, because E is here. So after D, A, B, C, D, E, E comes. E is here in vowel. That's why F word. Rest. That's why I've written rest of the letters. Rest of the letters is called what? That is consonant, and it is known for A. But the same thing I will tell you, that consonant and vowel, both the things can be solved by a sound or a pronunciation. How we pronounce, according to that we will solve the vowel and consonant. So if we take an example like B for ball, why A for apple? I have written here A for apple. Sorry. See, A for apple, right? But in apple we are putting what? An apple. But ball, we are putting a ball, right? A ball. Why? Because according to sound, B, and B is coming for consonant, B. So that's why a ball. Like as I told you, A is vowel, A is coming, that's why an word. Vowel is what? An word I told you, right? Same thing. B, ball. C, cat. A, cat. We are not writing an cat. D, dog. A, dog. Because all the rest of the letters is consonant. It is easy. And how we sound, how we pronounce, according to that it works. Right friends? So friends, you saw the videos, and if it is helpful for you for anything, if you think that this video is helpful for me and it helped me very much, then please like it and share it. And what to say, it's same thing, subscribe, press the bell button, right, and subscribe, and one like. I need only one like for that, if you like the video, if it is helpful for you. So friends, you understood what is vowel and consonant. I tried my hard best to explain you. In the next video I will bring with a new concept. I will speak in Hindi, and again I will say in English. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment, say in a comment section. You type in a comment section. If you have any doubt, I will make another video for that. But next video will be in Hindi with a new context and new thing, right? Up to that, let me wrap the class. I'll meet you in the next class. Jai Hind.